Hi, I'm Arlene Tilton. I'm here to help you create simple, tasty, healthy foods that are energizing, trimming, immune boosting, all in about 10 minutes. Actually, this is a simple salad that you can make for lunch. And it's actually a super salad. I like calling these super salads because they are complete with lots of vegetables and healthy proteins and fats, and it can be a one complete meal. So here's what we're going to start with: a bed of greens, and I just chose baby lettuce greens to start with. Now I like to add about 2 or 3 vegetables to go with that. Usually something like celery. I chopped up some celery here. And then we are going to do a little bit of red pepper. That kind of adds a nice little bit of color and great flavoring. And then we're going to do a little bit of avocado. This is a small avocado that I've diced up, and we will add that right in there. And then I have some chicken that it was pre-cooked that we're going to add onto here. So we've basically got most of our salad here, right here. Now we're going to go on with the dressing, and this is the fun part. You can actually make your own very simply. And that's just by getting olive oil, put about a tablespoon, 2 to 3 teaspoons into a small little bowl. I add a little bit of salt, maybe 2 or 3 shakes like you would on that salad. And then I add my essential oils. Now I always use essential oils that are meant for internal use, and you always know that with doTERRA's because they will have a supplement fact label, which means that it has been tested to be safe for internal use. Now I'm starting with lemon here today. You could do lime, you could do grapefruit, wild orange. Lemon is a great oil for cleansing, so I like to add about 3 to 4 drops. And then you can add, I always say, an herb oil, like coriander, black pepper, basil. Thyme is really good, but it's a little strong. So if they're too strong of oils, you'll run it. So you can just get a toothpick and put in here. I actually like coriander and black pepper. You can use one or the other. I actually like 1 drop of both of those to add to my dressing. So you just want to be careful that you only get 1 drop, and to ensure that, you can measure it in a spoon first. But I will just try to be careful here today and just get 1 drop of each of those, which we did. Stir it up a little bit, and it's good to go on our salad. And that's all you have to do for a tasty, healthy salad dressing. Now, just a little bit about these 3 essential oils that I added. Lemon is very cleansing, it's alkalizing, it's great for promoting good digestion as well. So I like to add lemon if at all possible. It's also got great immune properties. Our coriander is a great herb oil, and it has great antioxidant properties as well as good digestive properties. And then black pepper, also very good for immune boosting, good for digestive, but it's also good for curbing your cravings. And I love to add that whenever possible, to add black pepper. We eat black pepper in a lot of foods, right? Why would you add in an essential oil? It's just much more therapeutic and beneficial. And it really helps to strengthen your internal organs and your gut. And all of these 3 oils are really good for promoting good gut health. And I think all of us need a little extra boost when it comes to having a healthier gut. So this is a 1 meal salad. Like I said, it's a good balance of lots of vegetables and healthy proteins, healthy fats, and it's very filling and satisfying. If you fill up on your vegetables first, then that's half the battle. Our vegetables are full of our vitamins and minerals, our fibers, our enzymes that are so important for a healthy digestion. So many people, that's what they're omitting or not getting to give them some of the greatest benefits. And I always say the healthiest kitchens are usually missing two things. Number one, the raw fruits and vegetables, and lots of vegetables specifically, but also our essential oils, because they accelerate all the benefits that we would in this salad right here. So I hope that you will take the time to make super simple salads and enjoy them. And don't forget to add those essential oils. If you don't have the essential oils, then make sure and go to dropbydropwellness.com and order them for yourself. Click on shop to purchase retail, or become a member to save 25%, which is the best way to go. Have a happy, healthy day.